It's like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walk out my life? I get like this every time. On these days I feel like you need me.
Hold on, turn your speaker down. This part about to get explicit. You ready?
Just like the day that I'm up.
Hey guys, it's the girl Kat and I'm back with another video. So today's video is being brought to you by Kalyss. They went ahead and sent your girl over a premium synthetic unit. Now this is the construction of the unit. It has 2 combs in the temple area, a comb in the back with adjustable straps. Now the uniqueness of this unit, baby. It has cornrows on the top and straight hair in the back. I'm feeling this very to-go look, okay? And the design of the braids is so cute and very unique. Definitely different for your girl, okay? Definitely different on this channel, but we all for the different, right? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get straight into this very basic install. Let's go.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' room, room. Take it to the boom, boom, boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lamb, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sitting mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my daddy in the wind. I fought at the wind. My dog just caught another body, now he's popping Xannies again. Slipping at the cul-de-sac, sliding on the osmolar.
Okay, guys, so I had to come in and give y'all the tea on this part, okay? So on this unit, the unit actually comes down too big for me on the ends. As you can see, the braid comes down way past my ear. I am going to cut that last braid off and put a slit in between the second and third braid so it can lay down flat and seamlessly, as you can see here. So it's beautiful. I love how flat it looks now. Put a slit in between the second and third braid for it to lay this way.
Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lamb, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Mud, see me on mud. Niggas talk shit, but they never ever know us.
Thank you, Kalyss, for sending over this beautiful unit. Shout out to you guys. And if you have not at this point, subscribe to your girl so you know when I drop that next video, okay? Definitely don't forget to like and share, and see you at my next upload. Later.